guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, welcome to my new channel. I guess I said that wrong. Yeah, this is my first video. My name is Shayla. I have no idea if I've said that yet. I've recorded this so many times, I'm not even gonna try and restart it. So if I've said my name twice, yeah, I'm sorry. If I haven't said it twice and I'm having a meltdown, it's because I've said my name like 5-7 times today because I tried to record this and I don't understand how people do this. It's so darn difficult. So without wasting a minute, we're gonna jump right into this. I thought I would start off my channel by showing you guys what I make, what kind of jewelry I make. I make boho-chic kind of style jewelry. I use a lot of rocks and silver and chain, and I think it looks pretty. So let's show you some close-ups. First, look at this choker. I'm wearing it. I also have multiples of them. I normally don't make multiples because when it comes to handmade jewelry, I really like to try and make one-of-a-kind things, but this design was just so pretty. I couldn't help it. So I made one for myself, and then I also uploaded one to my Etsy shop because I think they're just so freaking pretty, and I have them obviously in different colors. I just haven't made them yet, but I'm obsessed with glass beads, which are the only thing added to this riverstone design, and I have all these beads in different colors. Pink, blue, any color you can think of under the sun. I got a rainbow of glass beads because it's a slight obsession. And then moving on to, ow, I'm sorry, I had an eyelash in my eye there. Sorry. Moving on to the, I call these seed bead strands. Really don't know what they're called. Like, I'm not a pro, but these are seed bead strands, and they have a rock pendant on them. They are literally just a strand of seed beads in a pattern. I have two different kind of patterns going on right now. I actually have a 4-on-4 pattern. This one's in black and white, and then I also have a 4-on-8 pattern where there are 4 seed beads that repeat 4 times, and then there are 8 seed beads that report 4 times. Repeat. An R word that my mouth cannot pronounce properly tonight. So yeah, and these both just have little, they're not so little, they're kind of chunky, I won't lie. I'm a fan of chunky pendants. But they are river stones wrapped in 2.8 gauge wire. If you guys want to know what kind of materials I use normally when it comes to wrapping wires, if you guys want to see some cool wrapping tutorials, let me know in the comments and I'll make sure to involve those in my to-do list. So moving on from the seed bead strands, we have these necklaces with beaded chains, and these have silver chain pieces in between eye pins with glass beads and silver seed beads on them. I also have some silver spacer beads included in this design because I love silver beads. They go with silver chain so well. And of course the pendants on these are more stones. If you guys want to see my full wire wrap stone collection, let me know in the comments, and I will also include that to my to-do list. It's a pretty big to-do list, but I run through it pretty quick. So seriously, if you guys have any video requests, let me know down in the comments, and I will make sure to get those done. And those are that for necklaces. I totally lied. That's not that for necklaces. I forgot about the beaded chains. These are not actual chains. which I think is kind of the funniest thing about these names, because they're just eye pins put together with a bunch of jump pins to make a chain out of beads, technically. And the only chain involved in these design is in the adjustable back. So, but these beaded chains are super fun because you can add almost any kind of pendant on them, like a slim little glass bead like this one. It's a beautiful green necklace. And resin pendants are also very fun to make. If you guys want to see some resin DIY pendant videos, let me know in the comments and I will get that done for you. But yeah, this pendant here is a dried flower. Not sure what kind of flower it is. It was just a pretty little yellow flower. So moving on from that. And then I also have wire wrap pendants, of course. Why wouldn't I have wire wrap pendants on my beaded chains? And I feel like that would be silly not to do. So that's what I do. Now moving on from necklaces, finally. Bracelets. Bracelets. I have a lot of different style of bracelets. I do stretchy bracelets, I do chain bracelets, I do 3-piece, 2-piece, 1-piece, dainty. I do a lot of different kind of bracelets, but I wanted to show you guys these ones because they kind of summed up everything that I did, because they have the glass beads, they got the silver spacer beads, they have the wire wrapped stones, and they also have chain. So, you know, I figured that was a great example to show what kind of jewelry I make. It's got almost everything I do. But it does carry on the wire wrap stone theme a bit. So, moving on from bracelets to, what are these called? Earrings. Minor brain fart there, but yes, earrings. So the first pair of earrings I want to show you guys is these, how do you describe these? They are silver charm feather earrings with lava stones and seed beads. I have a slight seed bead obsession. You'll see a lot of those on this channel because I just think they're great. They add accents, they add a little bit of pattern between bigger, bulkier statement beads. Seed beads. If you don't have them and you want to make jewelry, get some. So yeah, those are those first pair of earrings. I also have another pair of feather silver charm earrings. They're a little longer, a little danglier. They got just a little bit less seed beads in there. There's only like 2 strands, just to add a pop of color. But they're the kind of low dangle earrings that, you know, are great for summer. Alright, I think I have one more. Oh yes, I have anklets to show you guys. Boom, 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 anklets. Call anklets bigger bracelets. That's what I like to refer to these bad boys as, because if you don't know too much about measurement, I will be posting a video about that soon, so make sure you subscribe so you know when that comes up. But anklets normally start at around 9 inches, and I think the biggest they go is like 10.5 inches, quotation mark. They could go smaller, they could go bigger, you know, we're all humans who come in different shapes and sizes, so you know, there could be someone out there who needs a 6-inch anklet, who knows. But bracelets normally are 6 inches to 9 inches, and anklets are 9 inches to 10.5 inches normally. So anklets are just bigger bracelets. And the designs I have for my anklets to show you guys are pretty much the same as the rest. They all have wire wrapped stones in them. This one in specific is really similar to the chokers that I showed you first in this video, like the first things ever. If you put them close together. You can almost see no difference. There's just some seed beads and only one glass bead in there. That's the only difference in the design, really. But they're pretty, they're simple, I love them, they're gorgeous. And the other design I have are these wire wrap stone anklets, but in a charm form. They sit kind of on this little eye pin with a bunch of colorful seed beads, and it's just a little wire wrap charm. Super cute, super simple, super summery, super. So yeah, that is my introduction for this channel. Like I said, I'll have some tutorials coming up soon, probably tutorials for the majority of the things that I showed you here, like some anklets / bracelets. I'll probably do those in the same, because like I said, anklets are just bigger bracelets. You just gotta add like 2 inches, 1 inch in some case, you know, whatever measurements fit you. And you have matching anklets and bracelets. So I'll have some of those tutorials posted, also some earrings posted, because earrings are always very fun, very simple way to just make you feel a little prettier on a Sunday morning. And yeah, I have some tutorials. I'll post some close-ups of my collections, because I've been told that they're very pretty. Just kidding, I know that they're pretty, that's why I make them. But no, I have been asked for some close-ups on especially my lava stone. These earrings here with the feather charms, they have lava stone, they're in that collection. So I will have that collection up soon, as well as a full view of my wire wrap stone collections. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see up next, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm told that that helps with things. And I'm kind of excited to start this channel. Let's see where it goes. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.